When I looked at curbside waste historically, I saw that little has changed over hundreds of years. Waste has been taken care of using three simple methods that still resonate today, and they are burn, bury, and dump. When I reflect on waterways used as dumps over many years, and with a shift to clean up rivers, especially in our major cities, for example, London, Sydney, and Melbourne, as industry was regulated not to dump, e.g., toxic sludge, into rivers, these were the visible and often smelly waste. Waterways were cleaned up as late as the 1970s with growing environmental awareness and regulation. This also created cleaner air, which reduced air pollutants, and an increasing focus on human wealth in the 1980s and 90s. It would seem there was an increased understanding of the interconnectedness of humans, nature, and our actions, especially economic actions that contributed to growth. Ironically, the making of goods and services, as well as cleaning up of pollution, all contributed to economic growth. There was no incentive not to pollute. However, these impacts were called externalities, which are those positive and negative impacts which are unpriced in current economic transactions. And these would include things like declining air quality, increasing salinity, or the impacts like climate regulation by a forest, or the positive pollination services to crops.